Tom tries duck hunting for the first time. He shoots a duck, but it lands in the farmer's yard. Tom goes to retrieve the duck, and the farmer says, "It's in my yard, so now it's my duck." Tom responds, "But I shot it, so it's my duck." The farmer said, "All right, we'll settle this country style." Tom said, "What's country style?" "Well, we take turns kicking each other in the nuts. Last man standing gets the duck." Tom really wants the duck. Since it's his first time, he agrees. "We're on my land, so I get to go first." The farmer wins up and kicks Tom really hard right in his nuts. Tom rolls around on the ground in pain for a few minutes, but eventually manages to stand up again. He's ready to get even now. Tom said, "All right, it's my turn. The farmer said there was a fight between me and my wife, but now I'm fine. That's okay, you can have the duck."